Kasi umakyat kami sa bundok. Me and my auntie, sister, and grandma celebrating his birthday in Baguio. You live in Baguio, just visiting. No! With family visiting Baguio for celebrating his birthday. Idol, hello! That's why I'm here. Do you want more picture? I will send it to you. The view, the flowers, and me. If you want. But if you don't, that's fine. I will send it the view lang. Bossy! Look, that will be. Yes, I will send it to you later. Hello, Kiwi. Patayin ko muna yung aming sounds. Western positive. Where are you from pala, Sanchi? Thank you, Sanchi. Oh! My base is UK po. Oh, you know po. You know po. Oh! Ba't sakit? Sumasabi talaga yung brace ko. Opo. Yes. Po and po. You know that English ng you know, wait lang, nakalimutan ko. Nakalimutan ko sasabihin ko. MJ, you know how to understand Tagalog naman, right? Or not? Yes. Galing mo talaga. You're so very, very good. Very, very good ka dyan for that. Load ko, paubos na. Idol, thank you for tap-tap. Pili. Do you know, just few words. Okay. Do you know, Senshi, I'm in this month, I'm so very matumal. You know matumal? Like, I'm live now. And sometimes pala, I don't have anything to give like that. But it's fine.